Hey gang, Poppy here. This is Caffeine BS for Friday the 13th, September 2019. I just got home from the hospital at 1:30 or 2 o'clock today. I was there overnight for a angiogram, and my doctor decided I'm going to need some surgery. Uh, I don't know if this thing is actually recording me. I'm going to stop and check it. This is the continuation of Caffeine BS for the Friday the 13th, 2019. Apparently, the monitor is doing max headroom bit, but it turns out the video's okay. Uh, my bandsaw came today. I've been wanting it for 20 years. The Microlux, variable speed, wet capable. You can get an accessory wet feed. I made one for my lapidary unit. I'll probably retrofit it to this. The unboxing footage, unboxing it just disappeared. This computer likes to do that randomly. Usually it's my best footage, too. I mean, it was going to be a tip blitz. How to unbox a bandsaw. I mean, it was some of my best material. And this bloody machine loses it. Anyway, I took some JPEGs inside it to show you. Those didn't get lost. And I made a couple of test cuts. This is peachwood off the tree in the front yard. Peach trees sometimes they'll just break and drop a whole half the tree on the ground. Anyway, this is part of one of the main branches breaking. There's some nice crotch figure in here, although it's small. I could maybe trim these, book match them, make a, oh, I don't know, a coffee table for Barbie's dream house. But this most likely be a pair of knife blade scales. Nice peachwood. Anyway, I'm going to go now. This has been Caffeine BS for Friday the 13th, 2019, September.